Hello, thank you for coming here. I'm planning a new flower bed for roses and I want to share what flowers I chose as rose companions and why. Now is a good time to go and buy these in Costco for a great deal. I will share each variety that I purchased and I will also include a short clip of what Costco has. Gladiolus is one of my favorite because it grows straight up. Those tall flower spikes will pop up between or behind roses, and since they grow from corns, they don't compete underground. They bloom just as some roses may start slowing down, so the garden will never feel empty. And if they bloom when other roses bloom, they will nicely pop up between or behind roses and create extra color. Let's take a look at what quality the corns are. These are really nice corns. They are ready to be planted. They have nice roots already and they started actually growing. So they need to be planted right away. Liatris does something similar, but it's even better for pollinators. Bees just love it. I planted some in my round flower bed right here in the center. They create a wonderful view with their purple flowers. They stay narrow, so they will keep good airflow around roses. I think that these purple spikes will make roses stand out even more. This deep purple color will complement every rose color: pinks, whites, yellows, apricots, and reds. Because purple sits opposite yellow and next to red on the color wheel, so it enhances warm tones without clashing with cool ones. Let's look at the bulbs. So these are also very nice bulbs. Each will grow at least 3, but maybe more stems that will flower. Next flower is Acidanthera. It is also called the Peacock orchid, and it is good for late summer blooms. Its foliage is light and grassy, so it doesn't crowd roses. And if roses are taking a break, then these flowers will step in with elegant and fragrant flowers. And then there is Eucomis, or pineapple lily. This one is more architectural, kind of. It will add some structure and texture to a rose bed, also especially later in the season. This is my first time planting these. The bulbs look also great. No dry bulbs, good size, nice size, good quality. And for the pineapple lily, the pineapple lily has huge bulbs and they are also great quality. All of them look really nice. And next flower that I want to share is Dahlia. Dahlia also has really nice tubers, and one tuber will give multiple stems that will flower through late summer into fall. I also plan to plant hellebore among my roses and some evergreen dwarf trees and heather flowers. Heather really creates nice colorful view during winter time. They start blooming in December and bloom through entire winter non-stop.